Let's have a look at karyotypes. In order to explain a karyotype, it's best for you to know some of the terms that I'll be using. Let's start off with the basics. The nucleus. This is the most important organelle in a cell. Imagine a cell to be like an egg. If you strip away the shell, you'll find the white outside, but inside you'll find a small yellow ball, the yolk. That's much what the nucleus looks like in a cell. It's this big round bit right in the middle, and it contains the most important things of the cell, which are the chromosomes. So there's your nucleus, and here are your chromosomes. We've broken it open, and all the chromosomes have come pouring out. So chromosomes are the small bodies in the nucleus of a cell that carry chemical instructions for reproduction and growth of the cell. They consist of strands of DNA. So these are what we call the blueprint of life. We need chromosomes to tell us how our body is to grow and what it's meant to be doing during the cycle of its life. Without chromosomes, you don't have the organism. So you can see here that for this karyotype, we've taken the chromosomes out and then we've dyed them. That helps us match them up. As we've said over here, humans have 46 chromosomes and they match up in 23 pairs. These pairs have a special name. We call them homologous chromosomes. So here's a little pair there. You can see that those two green ones match up, these two orange ones match up, these big yellow ones match up, and basically that's what we do when we create a karyotype. Here, we match up our 46 pairs, our 23 pairs, and then we lay them out, and that helps us study them. So a karyotype is the chromosomes of a cell usually arranged in chromosome pairs in descending order of size. Now, as we said, your chromosomes do match up into 23 pairs, so that everyone actually has the same chromosomes, apart from this little 23rd pair here. This is the only thing that will vary between person and person, and it'll vary based on the sex of the person. In women, you probably know this, the female, you'll have two X chromosomes, but in the male, you'll have an X and a Y, and the Y is just a shorter version of the X. So that's the only part of a karyotype that should be different, unless of course you've got a person with a chromosomal abnormality. So let's have a look at karyotypes and how we get them. Alright, so we have your dad and your mum's karyotype. Now, as we said, you get one from your mum. You get one chromosome from your mum and one chromosome for your dad to make up your karyotype. If we were to just mix all of this up together, you'd end up with, what's 46 plus 46? 72? No, 8, 92. That's right, yeah. Chromosomes, and that would be too many. So you need to get half from your mum and half from your dad. So that's what we're showing here. You'll see the dad here and the mum here. The daughter's sort of a mix of both. She's got a mum's round eyes, but her dad's brown colouring, her mum's jaw and hair colour, and her dad's ears. And this is how you get the mix of your mum and dad. You get half your genetics from your mum and half your genetics for your dad. So let's just quickly run you through what that looks like. So your first chromosome, one from your mum, one from your dad. That makes up your first one. And then your second one from your mum, one from your dad. So this is how you get your mix of your parents. So, and eventually you'll get the 46. And as you can see here, she's a female, so she has two X chromosomes. Mum's a female, she has two X chromosomes, but dad is male, he has an X and a Y, and as you can see, the Y is much shorter. So that's how you get your genetics from your parents, and that's what a karyotype is. It's just the arrangement of your genes in pairs, so you can have a look at them and study them. Okay.